Capacitance in femtofarads on the output node of a 3-input NOR gate without an external load in a 90 nanometer CMOS process. Now, this equation is not in the notes that I know of. It's not mine, so take that as you will. But I didn't find this, I found it very convoluted elsewhere, so I thought I would just make a quick video on exactly what we're doing. And I've broken it down so that we have our Cjp, Wp, and essentially everything that you see here can solve any problem that you have with the different variables. So we have our Cjp, we have our Wp, all diffusion lengths. All diffusion lengths is given to us right here. That's given to us like this. We of course have our COX. We have our Loverlap. We have the Wp, our Cjswp, Wp, and so on and so forth. An important thing is that we have this input right here, and then it's this input out here. We're factoring it in. Let me just have this last part right here. Now, I do have some things underlined that we should go over really quickly, and I'm actually going to underline these as well. We'll do that in a different color. So these ones, and like this. And the reason why I have these underlined is because when you plug them into a calculator, this COX is equal to 17. We have femtofarads divided by our micrometers squared, right? And essentially micrometers squared, that's going to give us a 10 to the negative 15th divided by 10 to the negative 6, but it's squared, so it's really 10 to the negative 12. So this is 17 with like e to the negative 3. So that's just something to pay attention to. That's for our COX. That also applies to our Cjn and our Cjp because they have the same measurements. Now, I guess I'm doing it in backwards colors, but like Cjswn is equal to 0.7. We have femtofarads, so 10 to the negative 15, divided by micro, which is 10 to the negative 6. So this is going to give us a 0.7 with an e to the negative 9. That's just something to note when you're plugging in your values into a calculator, spreadsheet, Symbolab, whatever have you. But that's how you go about solving this problem. For this specific problem, what I have gotten for my answer is 112. So that's how we go about solving for this problem and how you go about solving for anything like it.